Hi! Good morning, children! And welcome back to Phonics Lesson. So, are you ready, children? We are going to learn and play together. If you're ready, please look outside and what do you see? How's the weather like today? Like today, like today. Is it sunny day today? Can you see Mr. Sun? Oh no, it's not sunny day. Is it windy day? It's not windy day. Is it cloudy day? It's not cloudy day. Is it rainy day? Oh yes, it's rainy day. Oh, if it's rain, so I need to cover my head. I need something to cover my head. Can I use my ruler to cover my head? No. Oh no. Can I use my spoon to cover my head? No. Can I use my paper to cover my head? Oh no. So what do I need, children? Oh yes, I need an umbrella. Ta-da! Wow! Thank you, children. Yes, I have an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Oh yes, and I want to open up the umbrella. Wow, so if it's rainy day, children, don't forget to bring your umbrella. So today we have umbrella. Up umbrella. Up umbrella. Is the sounds of you. Yes, today we learn about letter sound. Now, can you repeat after me? Everybody say Yes, that's good. Now let's say bye-bye to umbrella. Bye-bye, umbrella. And let's sing together.
Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas, up umbrellas, up umbrellas, it's the sound of you.
Yeah, so how is the sound, children? The sound is That's good. Now you can take your cards. Let's spread your cards on the table and let's check one by one. Now look at this picture, children. I have a boy and a girl. Where is the little boy and little girl? Oh, they are hiding under the chair or under the table. Let's check together. Now look at this. I have a boy and a girl. They are hiding under the table. Now how about you? Can you hide under your table? Let's hide together. Okay, everybody hide under the table. Oh no! Where is Miss Sandy? Oh, where is the children? Oh, everybody is hiding under the table. Now, 1, 2, 3, peekaboo! Yes! Now you may sit down again, children. So that's under the table. Can you say under? Now, can you show it to me, children? Where is your card? Under. Look at the boy. Where is the boy? The boy is under the table. Now let's sing together, children. 1, 2, 3, go! Under, under, ah, ah, ah. Under, under, ah, ah, ah. That's good. So what picture is this? Under. Okay, thank you, children. Next picture. Now look at the girl. The girl is going up, 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 up. Can you say up? Yes. Now can you show your hands, children? Let's put your hands up. Put your hands up. Huh? Yes, that's good. Up, 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 up. Now show me the picture. Up, up. The baby is going up. Yes. Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Up, up, ah, 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 up, up, ah, ah, ah. That's good. So what picture is this? Up, up. Okay, next picture is for... Oh, I have a padlock. When I put the key, I can unlock the padlock. Unlock. Can you say unlock? Yes, now you can find your padlock, children. Miss Sandy also has padlock. This is my padlock. Now I want to lock. It's locked. I cannot open it. It's locked. I need the key to unlock it. You can take your padlock, children. Now let's unlock it. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Unlock. Can you say unlock? Yes, unlock. Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Unlock, unlock. Ah, ah, ah. Unlock, unlock. Ah, ah, ah. That's good. So what picture is this, children? Unlock. Yes, unlock. Okay. Now, next picture. Is for... Oh, it's rainy day. I need to bring my umbrella. Yes, look at this girl. This girl is holding the umbrella. How can you say umbrella? That's good. Now can you find the picture, children? Can you show it to me? Umbrella. Yes, umbrella. This is the umbrella. You can hold the handle. Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Umbrella, umbrella. Ah, ah, ah. Umbrella, umbrella. Ah, ah, ah. That's good. So what picture is this? Umbrella. Yes, this is an umbrella. And today we are going to make... Ta-da! Is for umbrella. Umbrella. Wants to make an umbrella. Oh, you can put your hands up. Up, up, up. Okay, if you want to make an umbrella, let's take your plastic. Look at Miss Andy first, and you may try.
Okay, children, now the first one. Let's take your blue paper and put it on the table. Now we are going to paste. A is for umbrella. Umbrella. Let's take your glue, spread it on the back side. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. And let's put it on the top. A is for umbrella. Umbrella. Tap, tap, tap. Yes. A is for umbrella. Now let's take your paper plate. I have a paper plate. It's a half. This is for the umbrella and the pipe cleaner. This is for the handle. So, let's spread your glue, children, on the back side. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Yes. Paste it on the top. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. And this is for the handle. You can bend the pipe cleaner, children. It's like j, j, j. And let's spread the glue. J, j, j. This is for the handle. And this is an umbrella. Yes. Tap, tap, tap. And it's time to decorate your umbrella. Wow, I have pom-poms. Now you can decorate your umbrella, children, with pom-poms, with star and dot stickers. So you can take your glue. I want to put pom-pom on the left, on the right. Oh, I will use liquid glue. Yes. One on the left, one on the right. Yes. One in the middle. Toing. Wow. One on the top. Oh, one more. Yes, pom-poms. And oh, I have stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Want to give star on my umbrella. Tap, tap, tap. Peel, peel, peel. Yes. And yellow dots. Yes, that's my umbrella. Is for umbrella. And you can use your umbrella if it's Rainy day. So, you can take your white pen, children, and use your pointing finger. Which one is your pointing finger? Yes, this one. Dip, dip, dip into the pen. Ta-da! And let's give dots around the blue paper. Yes, that's the raindrops. Don't forget to bring umbrella. Ooh, it's rainy day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yes, umbrella. Now it's your turn, children.
Yes, this is my umbrella. Where is your umbrella? Okay, thank you, children. The first sound is ah. Now it's time to take your worksheet, your glue, and your scissors. So, what should you do, children? Paste the pictures correctly. I have umbrella, under, igloo, dog, unlock, and ball. Now, let's check the first sound one by one. If the first sound is you can put it on the left. Yes, the first sound is If the first sound is not you can put it on the right. It's not Do you understand, children? Everybody's ready? Okay, number 1. What picture is it? It's an umbrella. Yes, umbrella. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Umbrella, umbrella. Is it? Is it umbrella. Can you hear Yes, is for umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, you can paste it on the left, children. Now, number 2. Where is the boy? The boy is hiding under the table. Can you say under? Under. Okay, now let's sing together. Under, under. Is it? Under. Under. Can you hear Under. Yes. Under. Okay, next picture, children. This is an igloo. Igloo. Can you say igloo? Now let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. Igloo, igloo. Is it? Igloo. No. Can you hear when Miss Sandy say igloo? No. The first sound is e. So the first sound is not You can put it on the right. It's e. If a, so you have a glue. Is it a glue, children? No, it's an igloo. Okay, now next picture. Oof, 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 oof. What animal is this? It's a dog. Yes, this is a dog. Now let's sing together. Dog, dog. Is it a dog? Can you hear a when I say dog? No, the first sound is dog. Yes, that's all. It's not a. Now, number 5, children. You still remember what picture is this? Unlock. Yes, unlock. Now let's sing together. Unlock, unlock. Unlock. Can you hear when we Sunday say unlock? Yes, you can hear You can hear letter sound. Unlock. Yeah, that's good. Now the last one, children. I have a ball. Ball. Now let's sing together. Ball, ball. Is it a ball? A ball? No, the first sound is ball. It's not a. Okay, children. Now, if you are done, you can tell me something. Is for umbrella. Under. Unlock. Yes. Okay, thank you, children. Now you may tidy up your paper. Yes, tidy up your umbrella. And thank you for today. I hope you enjoyed the activity and see you again on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.